Hey all, welcome to this video. Today we show you how to connect old hard disk drives to the USB 3.1 port of the PC. The first thing you will need is a converter kit, which I linked in the description below. With this kit you have all the tools that are needed to connect any device with a SATA or IDE interface to the USB port. Now it's time to install the converter on the 3.5-inch hard disk. To do so, you will need the USB cable, the IDE power cable with the connector to the power adapter, and of course the converter unit. Install the converter to the hard drive and then connect the power cable. The other end of the cable has to be connected to the power adapter. The last thing to do is to connect the USB cable to the other side of the converter, and then it's ready to be plugged into your PC. Connecting the 3.5-inch SATA hard drive is pretty much similar to the IDE version. Instead of connecting the converter directly on the drive, you will now need to connect the red SATA cable between the disk and the converter. And also here, you connect the SATA power cable to the power connector. And like this, it is ready to connect to the PC and to your power source. The last disk here is the 2.5-inch IDE, which was mostly used on older laptops. Now connecting the 2.5-inch IDE drive is the most easy one. It only requires you to connect the converter directly to the disk. Take in mind that there is only one way to connect, so that you identify it with the missing pin in the middle of the interface. As this disk doesn't need any power connector, the only thing we have to do is connect the USB and it's ready to connect to your PC. And that brings us to the end of this video. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel to not miss any of the future content. Thank you for watching.